The anglerfish are fish of the teleost order Lophiiformes. They are bony fish named for their characteristic mode of predation, in which a modified luminescent fin ray, the esca or illicium, acts as a lure for other fish. The luminescence comes from symbiotic bacteria, which are thought to be acquired from seawater, that dwell in and around the sea. Some anglerfish are notable for extreme sexual dimorphism and sexual symbiosis of the small male with the much larger female, seen in the suborder Ceratioidei, the deep-sea anglerfish. In these species, males may be several orders of magnitude smaller than females. Anglerfish occur worldwide. Some are pelagic, dwelling away from the seafloor, while others are benthic, dwelling close to the seafloor. Some live in the deep sea, such as the Ceratiidae, while others live on the continental shelf, such as the frogfishes and the Lophiidae, monkfish or goosefish. Pelagic forms are most often laterally compressed, whereas the benthic forms are often extremely dorsoventrally compressed, depressed, often with large upward-pointing mouths. The earliest fossils of anglerfish are from the Eocene Monte Bocca Formation of Italy, and these already show significant diversification into the modern families that make up the order. Given this and their close relationship to the Lophiiformes, which are known from Cretaceous fossils, they likely originated during the Cretaceous. A 2010 mitochondrial genome phylogenetic study suggested the anglerfishes diversified in a short period of the early to mid-Cretaceous, between 130 and 100 million years ago. A more recent preprint reduces this time to the late Cretaceous, between 92 to 61 million years ago. Other studies indicate that anglerfish only originated shortly after the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction event, as part of a massive adaptive radiation of percomorphs, although this clashes with the extensive diversity already known from the group by the Eocene. A 2024 study found that all anglerfish suborders most likely diverged from one another during the late Cretaceous and Paleocene, but the multiple families of deep-sea anglerfishes, Ceratiidae, as well as their trademark sexual parasitism, originated during the Eocene in a rapid radiation following the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum. All anglerfish are carnivorous and are thus adapted for the capture of prey. Ranging in color from dark gray to dark brown, deep-sea species have large heads that bear enormous, crescent-shaped mouths full of long fang-like teeth angled inward for efficient prey grabbing. Their length can vary from 218 centimeters, 1/7 in, with a few types getting as large as 100 centimeters, 39 in. But this variation is largely due to sexual dimorphism, with females being much larger than males. Frogfish and other shallow water anglerfish species are ambush predators, and often appear camouflaged as rocks, sponges, or seaweed. Anglerfish have a flap, or the illicium, towards the distal end of their body on their first of two dorsal fins, which extends to the snout and acts as a luring mechanism where prey will approach in a face-to-face manner. The illicium is moved back and forth by 5 distinct pairs of muscles, namely the shorter erector and depressor muscles that dictate movement of this illicial bone, along with inclinator, protractor, and retractor muscles that aid motion of the pterygophore. Most adult female Ceratiioid anglerfish have a luminescent organ called the esca at the tip of a modified dorsal ray, the illicium or fishing rod, derived from Latin esca, bait. The organ has been hypothesized to serve the purpose of luring prey in dark, deep-sea environments, but also serves to call males' attention to the females to facilitate mating. Most species, a wide mouth extends all around the anterior circumference of the head, and bands of inwardly inclined teeth line both jaws. The teeth can be depressed so as to offer no impediment to an object gliding toward the stomach, but prevent its escape from the mouth. The anglerfish is able to distend both its jaw and its stomach, since its bones are thin and flexible, to enormous size, allowing it to swallow prey up to twice as large as its entire body.